all you lovely people. Today's gonna be a special video. I just got my Spade bag in the mail today. This is the first, like, well, technically second, but this is like my first designer bag. I have the other one. I have this one that I bought myself last year, early in the year. It's so cute. So they had a 75% off surprise sale or whatever, and I was like, girl, I'm finna get this purse. I looked at this purse and was like, should I really spend this much money on it? And then I sat there and thought about it longer and longer and longer, and I decided just, what the hell. So we're gonna unbox this little fish for you today. I like did this because I don't want anybody coming for me and like finding my address and like discovering where I live. Also, Eiffel Tower scissors because I'm aesthetic AF. Well, my finger got stuck in it. Okay, so we're just gonna try to rip with all I might. Okay, there we go. Ooh. Excited. Oh, it's so freaking pretty. Oh, that's real. I'm crying. Look what it looks like. You just pop it on your shoulder, call it a day. It's got this zipping front pouch. It's got a pouch here, and it zips there. Looks like this. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I'm crying. I'm like, it was originally $359 and I paid $120. So it's so cute. I'm just, I did good at this bag, don't at me about it. So notice the size difference. Oh, I'm so excited to use it. That was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be back for another video super duper soon, hopefully. I love you guys so much. Stay safe, and I will talk to you real soon.